Alright, here we are at the entrance of the park sector. Here we are. Technically now we could activate. It's quite a hike up here, really. But anyway, see if we can get it on the air. Here, let's keep the camera on. It's a beautiful view out here. You can see the road down there. Beautiful countryside. Tower's right here. Swing around the corner and here and take a look at the tower. Wow. Here we go. Right around this corner. Here it is. Beautiful sight. Beautiful sight. You know, we may be able to climb up to one of them platforms, activate from there. I will see.